Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of reaching for the start menu or the power button to shut down your Windows computer? In this video we'll show you how to shut down your Windows computer using simple keyboard shortcuts. Method 1. Windows plus X. The first method is to use the Windows plus X shortcut. Press the Windows key plus X, then press U and finally press U again. This will shut down your computer immediately. Method 2. Alt plus F4. The second method is to use the Alt plus F4 shortcut. Press Alt plus F4 then press Enter. This will close all open applications and shut down your computer. Method 3. Windows plus D. The third method is to use the Windows plus D shortcut. Press Windows plus D then press Alt plus F4 and finally press Enter. This will shut down your computer. And that's it. 3 simple keyboard shortcuts to shut down your Windows computer. Try them out and see which one works best for you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below.